young Archdeacon Robert. This video is totally dedicated to you and nobody else. I'm not starting an argument or a war with other Firecracker owners, but mine is pretty much at the top of the. It's got a new, it's brand new old stock bottom glass, and it's got the best set of reels I've seen. A nice top glass. Cabinet's a little bit, but it's certainly up there. I'm not saying it's the best in the country, but it's certainly in the top 10, I guess. The Firecrackers. The only bad thing about these, I don't have an attract mode, and I never did. I mean, even the Tuppenny conversions have attract modes, but the proper Bellfruit Firecracker does not have an attract mode. And it should also have the dark blue top glass. If it's the light blue top glass, then it was once a plunge and has been converted to a Firecracker. A lot of them were plunges and converted to Firecrackers when they, because plunge is the first this type of machine with the 10 nudges and the gamble there and the round buttons, and that plunge is the first one, but Firecracker was the one that is the one that most remember. So this one is a genuine Firecracker. It was not a plunge beforehand, like some of them were. I'll just put that back up there. And they look quite nice in a line, the same cabinets. I do like that. Right, it's not going to be a rushed video. It's going to take a while to upload, so I'll get that wrong straight away. Ah, there you go. It's got a pretty horrible. Hold on. As you had a dicky coin. The beauty of these is you can open the top door from the front. You haven't got to turn the machine round. Those all like that. All got, that one ain't got a lock. There you go. You can open them so you can get to the coin mix, which is quite good. Hey, that was a Firecracker too, but that was but that one's converted into Mad Hatter. But it sits next to Firecracker, so as you can hear, the tube is full. So they're sort of falling straight over into the back. Well, the bottom should say. So a few more credits on. Gamble. It can be a crawl gamble on these, can't it? If those of us who remember them. I've got a few credits in. Hold buttons. Your Firecracker, Mr. Archdeacon. Grab the stool. There's so many machines in here, but here's what it is. I guess this has a few memories for people. I've lost count of the number of emails I've had. Can I get a Firecracker? Could I sell a Firecracker? I I think it has a trait of that when it's about to nudge, it stops a little bit quicker. Right, well we can see that the two melons, because you can only go up or down as everyone knows. I can see the other melon down there. So we'll try that. Look at that sound, nice sound. There's only 2 nudges, so I can only get a win. 1 at 20p. Double or nothing, as we know. And quite often cruel gamble. Nice close look at them spinning. That is the nicest original, I will say original because they're not reprints, set of reels I've ever seen. A lot of them are all faded and brown. I guess a lot of people know the real order. I don't. I should go down. We've got 9. I can see the bell for it as well. 1, 2, 3. Not sure if it's there or not. It's 1 away, isn't it? 2 away. Oh well. No round buttons. We're not going to win any money this way, are we? That's nicely illuminated as well. No. Gonna go for the 40p, I reckon. 5 nudges, so yeah, that'll do it. Oh! I like the way it tells you how many pulses you would have got. That panel looks quite nice. Firecracker. I think we might go up on this occasion. Nothing there. Does anyone have any tricks for getting the nudges? Oh, the 50p light goes out every time we press it. Alright, we've got to go up because we're 4 nudges. 4 nudges for £1. We got 8, so we're alright. Double or nothing, tokens. There you go, it pays out really fast. Fast payers of these black boxes. As we know, £2 jackpot, 10p plate. The original £2. And not bad wins on the plums and the oranges as well. The old police siren. I'll go up. 2. Almost doesn't sound like it was paid out £2, but it did. The only downside to these is you can't cancel the holds. You can't cancel them. So once you've held them, that's it. You've got no way of cancelling them. So what do you think then, Robert? Fancy going? Takes the memories back. Ooh, 2 off. Oh, I should take the pound. Yeah, nice pound and collected. So I like about this, everything works on it as it should. It's only really, I restored this one 3 years ago, 2 years ago, maybe 2.5, 3 years ago. Something like that. It's had a couple of little upsets, but apart from that, it's been alright. Yeah, hoping really, and when there's only one. I mean, there's 2 on the middle, but 1 on the either side. 9. Not there. No. That says nothing, by the way. Oh, no, yeah. Quite a long video, Archdeacon, but I have done other videos of this Firecracker, by the way, and of because I've had about 3, maybe 4 Firecrackers come to me, whatever. Obviously I've kept this one, but I've had a few come to me. I did have 2 here at one time. We'll go down. That's that. And believe it or not, 2 of them 2 lamps are controlled by the board on the bottom. Oh, have a look. 2, 3, 2, 1. So there you go. That is pure Firecracker. Pure and simple. The original and best Firecracker, not the I know Belfry was a Scorpion 2 club machine called Firecracker, didn't they? But this is certainly not it and never will be. So there you go, Robert. Archdeacon, my man. That's Firecracker. I've just made this one just for you, and it's nearly 15 minutes long, so I think that's long enough. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.